All right, guys, here we go. Back up at Johns Peak in the rain, riding Sutter Trail.
It'll be wet today.
So yeah, kind of awesome. Bike running good.
Whoa, and it's slippery out here.
Definitely slippery.
Make it fun. Sutter Trail and the slipperiness. I like that line. Somebody's unveiling up there.
Yeah, a lot of tracks on Sutter Trail. It's a perfect day to ride. Christmas Eve. By the time I got here, it just opened up and started pouring. Got here kind of late in the day, about 1 o'clock. People were headed home, so I had it to myself. So taking the opportunity to try to go fast a little bit on Sutter Trail. I typically ride this with some caution, just because a lot of people ride up here today. Yeah, with there not being many people up here today, I decided to go ahead and push a little bit. Plus, I kind of enjoy riding in the rain sometimes, other than the fact that it messes with the vision. Of course, the goggles get wet and you can't see anything. But sometimes it's just fun. It wasn't real cold, so just a little damp. Sorry for the rain on the GoPro lens. It was just raining up. There wasn't much I could do about that. No matter how much I wipe it off, it was gonna get wet. Man, the bike is running really good. Tubeless system in the back's working well. Running about 10 psi in it today. Running a golden tire that is just really impressed with it so far. Of course, it's pretty much brand new. It's only a second ride, so they always are awesome when they're new. Same with the front tire. It's a Bridgestone M59, and it's it's slippery out here today, so there's only so much you can do. Fresh top end of the bike, man, it's just it feels good. I'm having a lot of fun today. Yeah, if there's one problem with the rear tire being this good is that it makes turning a little more difficult because the front end is so light. Under power, that back end is digging and pulling the front end up. The GoPro Hero 11 Mini today. You can hear a difference in the sound. It only has one microphone, I believe. And the rain messes with it a little bit. I think you get a little water in that mic, and it kind of sounds like we're in a box now. Other than that, pretty happy with the camera. It's not really lighter or anything than the Hero 9 I run, but it's a little smaller. And I do appreciate that. But anyhow, that's about all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, I'm out.